Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate the lecture number 15. I have already uploaded 14 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched those videos, then please watch them as it would be beneficial to understand this particular lecture. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe Fame World Educational Hub and don't forget to press the notification bell so that after pressing the notification bell, you will receive the notification of my latest uploads. If you are a subscriber of this channel, then thanks for subscribing. Now let's start with lecture number 15. So I have saved this particular lecture 15.html. And as you know that why these particular tags are used here, I have already discussed them in the previous lectures. So I am continuing with the new content. Here, the first tag is used paragraph tag. You know it very well. The bold tag, you know it very well. Now here, I have used some new tags and also some old tags, but I have shown the differences between them using some new examples. I have highlighted some examples and I will elaborate them in this particular video. So please watch the video till end because at the last of the video I will tell the major differences which I have marked here. So let's start. Here I have started with paragraph tag and I have just made a nesting. The text is bold. B, that is the bold tag and the tag used for making the text bold, and I have nested it with paragraph. I have just interleaved these lines just to make it legible to you. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense on the web browser, as you know it very well that the paragraph tag automatically takes a break on the starting and the ending of the line or the paragraph. So here another paragraph has been started and italic is used. Now the new tag here is the sub tag and the super tag. I have started here the subscript and the superscript in this particular paragraph. This is subscript, then this sub is the tag used for making the text subscripted, and sub tag is used for making the text superscript. So we will see the differences of these on the web browser soon. Now next is P, that is normal. This is a normal paragraph, so I'm just removing this particular line because it's twice here. Now this is a normal paragraph. Now H2 heading tag. Now here the new tag is small tag. I haven't discussed this tag in the previous videos. So here the small tag is the new one, the sub and the sub tag is the new one. So here the small tag is used. Now on the next one, italic is used. You know it very well. It is also used upwards. So I'm just removing this one. So here the strong tag is used. Strong tag is similar to the bold tag. So we will see the visual differences and similarities on the web browser that the bold tag and the strong tag give the similar results. Here H2, that is the heading tag, and mark tag. It is a new tag I am elaborating here. So here we are going to see the tags sub, that is subscript, sup for superscript, small for making the text smaller, strong for making the text bold, and mark tag. Now let's save the document and I am going to the web browser. I am going to use Google Chrome here. You can choose your favorite browser. Now I have just loaded it. Now you can see it very clearly. These are the new tags which I have introduced in this particular video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, don't forget to watch them because they are also containing different interesting elements. So now let me elaborate the particular elements. So here you can see bold paragraph and this paragraph is written in bold. Here italic, so you can see that it is appearing italic. So this paragraph, now you can see sub tag has been started here and sub tag has been closed before the subscript element. So this is the text here. So you can also write I am subscript. This was already written. I am just making a change to show the difference. Now I am refreshing it and you can see I am subscript. I am just maximizing I'm just zooming the browser window to make the difference clear. So you can see this is I am subscript and superscript. Now you can see the subscript element is below the line of this. You can see this was the main line and this I am subscript is towards down. It is downwards as it is subscripted and superscript is lifted upwards due to the tag superscript. So now let's compare it again. So I'm just removing I am here from there. Now I've just refreshed it. You can see that subscript is down the line and superscript is above the line. This is the main things which we generally use. So mainly this element is used like this whenever we like to use sub and let's write H for hydrogen and I'm just making a formula of chemistry. You know it very well. It is old one and O. I'm just saving it. I have just written 2 in the sub notation. Now you can see H2O. Whenever we want to write the characters like this on the web browser, we just use this sub and super. Now again I'm going to give a small br tag here and I'm now going to write a small formula of mathematics like you know it very well, a plus b whole square 2. So I will use sup for superscript and I'll just write 2 or 3 whichever formula you want to use you can. I'm just giving an example. So I have just closed it and now let's see the differences on the web browser. So you can see a plus b cube and H2O, that is 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. This is the formula of water. You know it very well. And we all have studied this formula in our junior classes. So these formulas, whenever we want to write these formulas and we want to use the superscript or subscript elements, we just use the sup and sub tags. I hope these tags are clear to you. Now next coming to this is a normal paragraph and it's written. This is a normal. Then heading. Now you can see the difference. This HTML is written in heading and another this small is written in small. So you can see that this one is smaller than the HTML and formatting these 2 words. I'm just putting some more words here. Right frame word and now here also I'm writing something. I'm just making the difference, nothing else. Now just see. So this is HTML framework and this is written in H2 and here small is used only for this particular. I'm just writing some more words here. This one word I have written. Now you can see that this particular is smaller than these 2 because the small tag is used here for this. So I hope you are getting the difference. You are getting the point that why this particular small tag is used. I hope this particular tag is clear to you. Coming to the next one. Yeah, now it's fine. Coming to the next one. This is a strong and I have already discussed it before in some previous lectures also that strong tag is almost similar to the bold tag and you can see that strong is giving the same effect as the bold one. So you can see there is no difference. They are approximately similar on the appearance. Okay, the next one is the mark tag. Now it is very interesting and important tag. Whenever you want to make a mark on your web browser, then you do know how will you make it. It is not a Word document that you just highlight the text. Here, the mark tag is used to make the text marked. So you can see HTML marked formatting. So here you can see that it is highlighted with a color. So I hope this is an interesting video and you like it. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the like button. Keep sharing this video with your friends. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe it. And if you are a subscriber, then thanks for subscribing. I hope this video lecture is clear to you. I have discussed here sub tag, sub tag, that is subscript, superscript, and small tag, strong tag, and mark tag. These tags are discussed in this particular video. I hope these tags are clear to you. If you are having any confusion, then please drop your query in the comment box for me to work. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fame World Educational Hub. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.